Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to call someone from your messenger in computer. Now let's begin. Right here, as you can see, I have successfully installed Messenger on my laptop device. In case you have not, we have created a video regarding how to install Messenger. Now let's begin. And do you know that you can do the same from the web browser as well? Right here in the Messenger account, here's my friend Tom, and I want to call him. Right here at the very top, there are a few buttons like this, like a phone, a camera. If you click on the phone button right here, it's gonna initiate an audio call. Else if you click on this camera-like button, it's gonna initiate a video call. Likewise in the web browser, here are the buttons right here as well, the phone icon and video icon. Click on any one among those and initiate a call. Let me initiate a call right now. And there you can see, the call is being initiated. It's only a matter of time before my friend picks it up. If you want to cancel the call, here's the red button right here, just click on it. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you call someone on Messenger from your computer device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.